What's up guys? In this video, I will show you how to create a digital seamless repeat shepherd text fabric using APEXFiz Design Pros. Alright, let's get started guys. First, we'll open a new view by going to View Design, New Pattern, and then click on New View. We'll name the file and set the yarn density depending on what you're making. Here we are going to select skirt and normal. Because shepherd checks uses two colors, we'll set the yarn count to 2 for both warp and weft. We'll select 12 wheel structure. Once that's done, we'll click on OK to continue. Next, I'm going to open the zoom window. Go to the zoom tab and zoom in a little bit. Click on standard position to center the view. Next, we will create the shepherd text pattern. Now we want to create the stripe. Click the add button. Before we change anything, make sure the unit is set to centimeter, then type 1.5 and press enter. To change the color, simply click on the color box. Choose any color you want, then click on OK. After that, we want to create another stripe. Click the add buttons again. We are going to change the color the same way, but this time, click the color box over here. Choose any color you like. I'll select a pinkish color. Click on OK. Then close the color window by clicking on this X here. Next, we want to copy all the warp stripes into the weft. Go to the drop-down menu, select Duplicate all to opposite side. Now both the warp and weft stripe match perfectly. Make sure the wheel structure is set to 12 right. If not, click on the structure icon. Go to Select Structure. Under Basic, choose 12 right. Now we are using 2x2 12 right, exactly what we needed. Click Repeat All to see the repeating pattern. Close the preview window. You can zoom in or out using the slider. Now you should see your beautiful wheel pattern. Run the wheel simulation. Click Wheel Simulation. When the pop-up message appears, click Yes. I'm going to keep all the default settings. We have one repeat, process mode super high quality / 3D appearance. Contrast is medium and random is small. Make sure shadow box is checked, as well as checking the create new page box. Make sure the resolution is set to 400. Instead of clicking execute, click export for U3M. By default, the system selects cotton yarn, but we want to change this to wool. Select all yarns here, then go to sample. Choose sample number 001 because it is a little fuzzy wool. This is perfect for shepherd checks fabric. All yarn will now apply. Next, set yarn thickness to auto for all yarns. Before clicking OK, change the thickness unit from cotton to wool. Then click on OK. Now I'm going to choose the folder where I want to save everything. The file name is shepherd checks fabric is perfect. Next, navigate to my drive, select reference, then click on my drive. Create a new folder called shepherd checks fabrics. Click on OK to create. And click on OK again to confirm the saving location. By default, I have .png, but I will change it to JPEG format. Then click on OK. The export is done. I will click on Exit to close the simulation window. Finally, we want to save both view and finish seamless repeats files. First, let's save the view file by selecting it. Then go to Save. This file called shepherd checks fabric is perfect. Select Preference. Navigate to the shepherd checks fabric folder. Next, click on OK. File type is picture directory and target is view. Next, click on Save. Now we will save this finished seamless repeat file. Simply click on this image, then go to Save and select Image, then click on OK. Leave the file name as is. Choose the same folder. Change file type to JPEG. Target, image combined with background. Quality, medium. Make sure the ICC profile box is checked. Then click on Save. Check your save files. Before closing everything, go to the folder to confirm your file are saved. Open my drive, shepherd text fabrics. Inside, you will see the JPEG fabric file, the view file, which is the raw file where you can edit later, a texture folder. So double click on the texture folder. You will see the texture maps such as alpha, base, displacement, roughness, and more. Click on the base map here to preview the seamless repeat, then close the preview. You will also see the U3M file, which you can import directly to your 3D application as long as it supports U3M file. And there you have it. That is how to create a shepherd text fabric from start to finish inside APEXFiz Design Pro. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more fabric design tutorial. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye!